Here's a quick view on my new build. So that's the wheel, and these are the lights, turn signal, and then lights too. So the way I have set up these LED lights is to a power bank in there, and I have a switch here. So turn this off, everything shuts off. Turn the switch on, this light turn on. You can change it to any colors. That's how I have them right now. And the camera, rear view camera, you can see everything on the back. Do have mirrors, motorcycle mirrors, but still opted with these for extra security, which is right here. And yeah, that's pretty nice to have. And it is also powered by a power bank, which is inside the bag here. Everything is powered by these power banks. I got 2 power banks here, and yeah, you light everything there. And got a headlight. I got a alarm on here, and then also they have different modes where you can have these lights, and also the turn signals on the back. I don't have them on the front, but yeah, I think I needed more on the back. And then yeah, one more thing. So this is the 24 amp hour 60 volt battery, and this is a 60 volt 30 amp hour battery. So I have connected that together, and if I want to use only this one, I'm going to shut this one off. This way, this battery is on, and if I want to use both batteries, I just turn this on. So that's it. And I got my controller down there, all the wirings inside, battery balancer in here, and yeah, the battery kind of looks a little messy, but it's stable, pretty stable. There you go, guys. That's it for now.